Yeah, welcome back to Bobcat again. Still down at the farm shooting some challenge targets. And this one is a, what do I call it here, bullet challenge. Pick your gun, ammo, etc. But I did this one probably last time I was down here, and I actually shot 2 rounds per bullet, and that ends up being like 36 rounds. That's way too much. And anyhow, so I changed how I want to do this. And first of all, we're going to say you get in the box and you get 1 point. In the brass, totally in the brass, 2 points. If you're in the brass and part of the box, it's still 1 point. And then if you hit the lead, and only the lead, not the brass at all, but only the lead. And you don't have to be fully in it, but you don't hit anything else but the lead. And that's 5 points. So for me, this will be a real challenge. Matter of fact, last time I shot this, I didn't even attempt to hit the lead. I just shot for the biggest part of the brass on that. So we're going to go back there to 50 yards again with my Ruger 10-22, and I think it'll probably be pretty much a disaster shooting this, but we're going to give it a try anyhow again. So we'll see. Well, we're back at 50-yard bench again, shooting my Ruger 10-22 with CCI standard velocity ammo with a 60-24 by 50 scope, and we're shooting at that bullet challenge, which I think will, for me, be a real challenge. So we'll see what we can hit. I said before, last time I did this, I shot 2 rounds per bullet, and that was like 36 rounds. So we back this up to 1 round per bullet, and we'll see what we can hit. Also, last time I got lost and didn't even shoot at 1 bullet. So we'll see whether I get lost again. And those targets are pretty small. We'll start up near the top and hope for the best. And I'm not even trying to hit the lead. As we do 5 points, you hit the lead, only the lead. And I'm 99% sure I can't hit the lead, so I'm aiming at the biggest part of the bullet. Okay, so we're going to cross that top road, and I think I shot at the one that I missed last time because I didn't even shoot. Now we're down going across the bottom part here. I think that was a shotgun shell, and I didn't even try to hit the grass. Yep. We'll see. Okay, got 3 there stacked together. I think that was it. Hopefully I shot at each one of those bullets down there, so time will tell on that. But we'll go down and take a look. Well, we'll take a look at this. I'm pretty sure I didn't hit much of anything, but we'll see. Got in the box, miss. In the box, in the box, in the box. Actually got one in the brass. That one in the brass. This one just in the box, hit part of the brass. Oh, that one's actually in the brass. This one looks like I missed it altogether. In the box, in the brass. Missed that one altogether. Got in the box. Missed that one, and that's a shotgun shell. Wow. And got on the edge of that one. So I didn't get any big points. I'll get some 1s and a couple 2s, but no 5s. So anyhow, but that was fun. It's just it is a real challenge for me. So some of the guys with better equipment, better eyes, they'd probably whip right through this and hit all the lead. So anyhow, hey, it was fun. Thanks for being here. Again, can't complain. The weather's great. And what more can you do but go out and shoot? So everybody take care.